Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a sweet spiced peanut. And now to make this, first thing we got to do is get 3 cups of peanuts into a bowl. 3 cups of peanuts into a bowl. Alrighty, and then you want to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Any oil you like. I chose veggie oil for this. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, followed by a teaspoon and a half of cumin. And then you want to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or more depending on how spicy you want said peanuts. Okay, and then you want to put some tin foil atop the bowl, seal it off, and then shake the shit out of it for about 60 seconds. Then you want to take a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper and place the peanuts and then kind of spread them out to a single layer. And then you want to pop them into a 300-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 20 minutes in the oven, a couple of minutes to cool, pour them in a bowl, and there you go. Sweet spiced peanuts. Done.